The Blue Mountains used to have a very specific microclimate that made it ideal for growing Arabica coffee, resulting in the specialty Blue Mountain coffee brand. But billions in losses are piling up. Production has slumped, and industry players say climate change is to blame. We're heading to the Mavis Bank Coffee Factory to find out just how farmers are coping.
My name is Norman Washington Grant. I'm the Managing Director and CEO of the Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, a certified international coffee taster and CQIQ grader. From burial going back to the floods and the bad weather of 23-24, the coffee farmers in the Blue Mountains have lost 100,000 boxes of these cherry. Because of the rain, because of the weather, they have been beaten off the trees and they're on the ground. And the value of this is $1 billion. So we are really paying the farmers now $10,000 a box. So the farmers have lost 100,000 boxes at a farm gate value of $1 billion. That is significant losses to the coffee farmers. This is compounded by the fact that during the bad weather and the hurricanes, etc., the farmers are unable to get to their fields because of the bad road conditions. So there are roadblocks, there are landslides, and right through the Blue Mountain regions, all around that Blue Mountain region has been significantly affected because of the bad road conditions.
Me have 5 and 6.5 acre coffee. I know me them have half acre.
Wow.
I have to chew it up.
Give it up, yeah.
Go in at the bank and pull mud to plant coffee. Coffee was like $15,000 a box. And Bob, I don't know if for politics, the next government change. At $3,000 a box of coffee. When me lose it already. Come out like.
I understand.
Right, they only a piece of leave, but not to talk about.
Climate change has its impact on the industry. For example, we are currently paying $10,000 a box for cherry coffee. The production of Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee is expected to fall significantly. So last year, we produced about 230,000 boxes. This year, it is estimated that we'll do about 190,000 boxes. The production in comparison to last year at this time is about 40% less. So we have looked on what we call a CREP program, which is a coffee establishment and resuscitation program. And we have said to the government, we meaning the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association, working with JACRA, let's invest somewhere in the region of about 1.3 to 4 billion. Now we are moving it to 1.5 billion into the coffee industry by releasing 300 million Jamaican dollars as a production incentive program for the coffee farmers. This $300 million would be rolled out in inputs such as fertilizer, chemicals, seedlings, building capacity through training, but we'd also include in that identifying some critical farm roads within the Blue Mountain region that would get some amount of maintenance. Coffee can transform rural economy. Coffee can create such a huge value of economic activities.